Best apps to mine crypto on your smartphone. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you about 3 apps that you can use to mine on your phone. Without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first application that I have for you guys is called Phonium. Now this is a pretty amazing application that you can download on either your smartphone or on both of your smartphones, meaning on your Apple devices and Android. Let me just check real quick. Okay, so clarification, it's not available on iOS as of right now, but I'm sure that they will implement a Apple feature that will allow you to mine on your iOS devices. So for now, let's just stick with Android. So you can go ahead and download this application on your smartphone and you can start mining. So as you can see over here, Phonium is a true mobile only cryptocurrency designed to deliver a simplified user experience. And Phonium is basically a cryptocurrency as well, is a Tron based token, which is similar to Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies. So PHT is a blockchain cryptocurrency that supports peer-to-peer transactions such as just like Bitcoin and Tron. So I'm gonna go ahead and download this application and I will tell you guys how you can basically use it. But for now, I'm gonna go over the other applications so that we don't get confused, and I will show you how they basically work by the end of this video. So this first Phonium, now it's pretty amazing as I told you guys. As you can see, this is the interface over here. It's a pretty simple interface. You don't have to do a lot of things. You just open the application and press the button and it'll start mining. So cryptocurrencies have been pretty big recently and they're really popular, and now you've come to a point where you can download applications such as Phonium and you can just start mining cryptocurrencies on your phone. Before, it was pretty hard, like you had to have a pretty amazing computer or a mining station and people had to invest a lot of money into that. So if you were early on in the cryptocurrency boom, you were pretty lucky, but now I think it's come to a point where you can just go ahead and quickly download the applications and start mining. So over here, as you can see, this is the roadmap. So in May 21, PHT was a new exchange listing, and then in June, PHT rewards and minimum withdrawal amounts reduction in all applications and games, and then Crypto Treasure's huge update. So basically what this is that it also has games as well. So over here, as you can see, these are some of the games that are supported by Phonium, and these are cryptocurrencies games that you can download and from which you can earn money. So Phonium is a pretty amazing application. I would recommend. So moving on to the second application, we have Cloud Earning PHT. This is also a pretty amazing application for your smartphone from which you can use to earn cryptocurrency. So over here, as you can see, let's check out a couple of screenshots. So this is going to be the basic layouts. Over here is going to be your balance account. So this is also powered by Phonium as well, which is pretty amazing because Phonium is pretty cool. Basically, this application is also used to mine Phonium, which is PHT. So as you can see, this is a pretty simple layout. You can see we have the exchange PHT, we have the earn, we have deposits, stake PHT, and the total earnings over here. And then over here we have stakes and earn PHT. These are the total balances. As you can see, it's a pretty simple layout and it looks pretty decent. So if we check out the reviews over here, it's a almost 4-star. It's almost a 5-star, but let's not count that. So let's just say that it's a 4-star review, 4-star application, and over 57,000 people have rated this application. So it's pretty good. So its average rating is 4.2. So you get a pretty good idea of how this application runs. So if we scroll down below over here, we can see some of the features it has. So you can earn PHT on a 7-day basis. You have PHT balance updates every 10 seconds. You have stakes of PHT with up to 5% of monthly return. You have deposit PHT, invite and earn more, average earning statistics, PHT market statistics, and PHT/USD calculator. So these were some of the features that this application has, and I will show you the entire application and how you can install it later on in this video. So for now, let's move on to the third and final application, which is called Pi Network. Now, I'm sure many of you have heard about this. Pi was a cryptocurrency that recently got onto the top 500, or I believe on the top 500 maps of cryptocurrencies. And the application looks pretty simple. Like you just download it, click the button and download it. So if we go over here, we can check out the reviews. It is average rating is 4.5, and almost 338,000 people have reviewed it, which is pretty nuts if you ask me. So now that we know a little bit about these three cryptocurrencies, let's just go ahead and download them on our smartphone and then show you how you can basically get started. Okay guys, so I've downloaded the three applications on my phone over here, as you can see. So the first application that I have for you guys is called B Network. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open this application up. Over here, as you can see, I have to register as a user. So I'm just gonna go ahead and register it, but as of right now I'm a guest, so I'm just gonna log in so that I can show you guys how it basically works. And over here, as you can see, the application is pretty simple. Like you get a lot of things done over here. So as you can see over here at the top, I have 0.00 B cryptocurrency earned. Now this is pretty simple and pretty straightforward. This is the homepage. They have some news down below. This is their total growth and stuff like that. And if we go over here on squares, we can see that this is where we build a square, and it's gonna be coming soon. So it's a new feature that is going to be available soon. And then over here we have invites. Now we can invite other people by using a referral link. Now for those of you that don't know what a referral link is, basically it's a link where people click on it and join the application using your referral link. And once they do that and they start using the application, you will get a certain amount of commission from their earnings as well. Now don't know how much it is, but you can imagine that you can earn a lot of money. Like I think the average referral earning is around 10 to 20%, I think so, which is a lot of money. So this is a pretty simple application, as you can see over here. Now to mine it, all you have to do is click on this button over here. As you can see, it's already mining, so you don't even have to do anything. You just open the application up and you just let it run in the background, and then that's basically it. Now another thing that you need to do is you don't need to close this application at all. Just keep it running in the background so that it doesn't close. So this was the first application that I wanted to show you guys. Now let's go ahead and move on to the second application, which is called Cloud Earning PHT. Now if you click on Cloud Earning PHT, as you can see, there's a lot of different ads, but we don't care. Now this is the application's layout. We just have to sign in with our Google account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. This is how it looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and skip the tutorial, and then that's basically it. Now as you can see, I already have 20 Phonium in my account just for installing the application and running it. Now over here, all you have to do is just simply click on this button, and over here you will have transaction history, and then over here you have the market of it, and then over here you have the options as well. So if we click on earn, as you can see, it's just running in the background, I think, and all you have to do is just let it run. So right now it's inactive for some reason. I don't think it's active, which is pretty weird. I think, okay, it's online, so sorry about that. So I think that you just let it run in the background, and then just you leave it there, I think, and you just click on start earning. So if you click on start earning, as you can see over here, we can choose the earning session. We can choose the regular or the premium. So I have, as you can see, my earning status is active, and I'm starting to earn PHP. Now this over here, as you can see, there's a timer over here. It says 6 hours, so I think it will run for, no, it's not seconds, minutes, hours, days. So it will run for about a week. This is their week period, so this is for their regular users. So you can just let it run for a week, but if you want, you can go over with the premium version, and where you will earn more money. These were the two applications that I showed you guys. Now the third one, the Pi application, for some reason I'm having trouble logging in because it thinks that I am being referred by someone, which I am not. So I'm just going to go over to their website and tell you a little bit about them. Okay, so over here, this is their website. As you can see, it's pretty amazing. So you could just go ahead and download them and join the hack station as well. So it's a decentralized application. There are mobile first applications, so you know that Pi doesn't care about other people. You just simply have to download the application on your phone and let it run. In the background, you will earn the Pi cryptocurrency, and it's pretty simple, actually, just like all the other applications. Now, unlike the other two applications that I mentioned, this is available on both Apple devices and Android devices, so you don't have to worry about compatibility issues whatsoever. So these were the three applications that I have for you guys in this video. If you guys did enjoy it, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections down below, and I will be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.